How to change your username on Snapchat easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to change your username on Snapchat. It's really easy to do. So first what you have to do is you will open up your Snapchat app on your mobile phone, and this is where you will get. You can do this on your Android or iOS phone. Once you open up Snapchat, you have to click on your profile at the left top corner where you can see your Bitmoji. So I'm going to open it up. So here we have our profile, and on my account you can see I have a name and then I have a username. I want to change the username. For that we will have to click on the settings at the top right corner. It will take me here inside the settings of my Snapchat account. So I have different information. You can see I have name, and then the second option is username. This is the name that is actually shown on Snapchat, and people can find us with the help of a username. So you have to select username, the second one, and it will take you here. You can only change your username once a year. Keep that in mind. Let's say I want to change this username, so I will actually just click right here and edit it out. If you have changed it already in this year, then you will not be able to do so because we can just change it only once a year. Click on change username. You can see once you change your username, no one will be able to claim your old one, and including you. So you can click on continue and change the username. So that's what I'm going to do. Here we can add and find the right username. If it is available, the username, then you can add it. So I have it right here, and that's what I'm going to do. So click on next. If it's a new username, click on next and click on change. Your username will be changed right here on Snapchat. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.